This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Outlaw 70. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will see the headlights, front bumper, and the front suspension adjustment points. The speed limiter is located in the left front wheel well. The left handlebar contains the brake lever, parking brake, brake master cylinder, engine run stop switch, and the horn button. In the center you'll find the safety tether, ignition switch, check engine light, and the fuel gauge on the fuel cap. On the right handlebar is the throttle lever. On the bottom of the seat, there is a compartment that contains the owner's manual and a toolkit, which contains a T40 Torx wrench, T27 Torx wrench, spark plug socket, spanner wrench, 10mm and 12mm wrenches, double-sided screwdriver, which also can be used in conjunction with the spark plug socket, and a tire pressure gauge. With the seat removed, you can access the fuse panel and the battery charging port. Open the access panel to find the rear brake fluid reservoir and the air filter. The right footwell houses the rear brake pedal and the oil access panel. Remove this to find the oil dipstick. In the rear of the vehicle, you'll find the battery, drive chain, rear suspension adjustment, spark arrestor, and the taillight. The VIN label is located on the right rear chassis frame. It is also stamped on the left rear chassis frame. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.